Hello, today I'm going to show you how to send a WhatsApp broadcast message using our platform. To start, click on the Apply button and select WhatsApp. Here you'll see the Templates option. Before sending a broadcast, we first need to create a template. Let's go ahead and create one now. We'll start by naming it. Let's go with Media Interactive. I'm adding dynamic variables here so that the message can be personalized for each recipient. This allows you to automatically pull in specific values like names or order numbers. Next, I'll add a call button to make the message interactive. I can easily include the phone number for the call to action right here. Perfect. Our template is now created. It takes a brief moment to appear here because it is being verified directly by WhatsApp. Once approved, we are ready to send our broadcast. Great. The template is approved. Now let's send the broadcast. First, I'll select the message template we just created. For this demonstration, I'm sending this message to a single user. I'll go ahead and enter my phone number here. Once all fields are filled, you can see a live preview of how the message will look. Everything looks good. Let's send the broadcast message. The message has been sent successfully. Now, we can check the broadcast report to track the status. As you can see, the report confirms the message has been delivered. That's it. Thanks for watching.